Hello everyone, here we are with another video with about top 10 things to keep in mind while dating in Dubai. With more than 80% expats living in Dubai, amazing parties on every day of the week, active nightlife and hanging out with friends more often is very normal. All of these make Dubai as a perfect place to have most memorable dates. However, due to strict laws, you should follow some rules while dating in Dubai. Things to keep in mind while dating in Dubai. Here we are going to mention things you need to keep in mind while dating in Dubai. Number 1. Public display of affection is strictly prohibited. The first thing you should know while dating in Dubai is that kissing in public and showing any kind of public display of affection to your partner is strictly prohibited. Especially if you belong to a Western country, you should understand that a simple kiss in public can send you to jail. Number 2. Sex without marriage is a crime. Dubai is an Islamic state and sex without marriage is considered a big crime in Islam. Though with so many expats living in Dubai, it is impossible to do that, especially if it is not considered bad in your culture. However, you should at least not talk openly about your sex life in public. Number 3. Do not curse and swear in public. Cursing, swearing and using bad language is not allowed in Dubai. So you should mind your language even if you are involved in some kind of fight. Speaking politely and with your manners is a must thing in Dubai. Number 4. Moving in with partner is illegal. In Sharia laws, unmarried men and women cannot live under one roof alone. So living together without officially marital status is illegal in Dubai. So you have to live separately even if you are seriously involved with each other. Number 5. You should choose public places for dating instead of clubs and bars. In Western countries, where mostly couples choose to date in clubs and bars on weekends or after work. In Dubai, you have more and better options to take your date. Also, due to a multicultural society, it may be quite possible that your date may don't drink at all. Also, this may cost you a fortune as well. Instead, you can take your date to many other amazing attractions in Dubai, like on top of Burj Khalifa, Sky Dubai, etc. Number 6. Do not trust easily. Usually, expats in Dubai spend some years in Dubai and then either move back to their countries or move to some other destination to get settled down in their career. That is why most of the expats you meet in Dubai are living in Dubai not more than 5 years. So mostly expats don't fall in for long-term relationship. Also, if you ask questions about themselves, they will tell you their stories, but you have no other option left of not believing them. So there is always a trust issue in believing someone. Number 7. In Dubai, men like to lead. You may don't know that 70% of the Dubai population consists of men. Men here in Dubai usually like to dominate the relationship. But that doesn't mean that they are arrogant or rude. This is how things work in Dubai, as most of the expats are from Asian countries and they usually have men dominating societies back in their countries. Number 8. Internet dating is more common in Dubai. There may be a possibility that every person you date is from internet social networking sites. Life in Dubai is very busy and it is always hard to take time out of the tough daily routine. With long working hours, the best way to date in Dubai is on the internet. There are many dating websites and apps in Dubai where you can find like-minded dates. Number 9. Keeping it secret is better. Dubai is a liberal city, but still, this is not recommended that you go around and talk about your love and sex life openly. This can lead to frowned eyes and unwanted questions, so you should not bring up this kind of subject to anyone unless you trust the person. Number 10. Cultural difference. Despite Dubai is the home of more than 200 nationals, mostly expats do not willing to date or have relationship with people who are not from their country or religion. That makes it very difficult to find a perfect match while dating in Dubai. Most of the time, people tend to keep their social life limited to those who share the same culture, religion and background. So here was the list of the top 10 things to keep in mind while dating in Dubai. If you like the video, please hit the button like and subscribe the channel. Also, don't forget to share the video and do visit our website for more interesting topics. www.flashydubai.com